top of the morning to you. How come I don't have any energy? I'm just building off of yesterday. That's a horrible question to ask. How come I don't have any energy? That creates my mind thinking about all the ways that my energy is draining and why it's low. So the real question, the good question is, how do I get more energy? How do I energize myself? Tony Robbins has a phrase or a statement that he makes. It says, where focus goes, energy flows. So when we put our focus on something, that is where our energy is going. If we put our focus, our energy, our focus on something, if we're thinking about all the things that we've got to get done or that we have to, all the have-tos, our energy's going to flow to that. If we prioritize and we make a list and we focus on those things, that's what gets done. Every morning I write in my journal, and the last thing I write in my journal are 3 goals. 1, 2, or 3 goals that are gonna get done today, that are the top priority, top of mind, that have my focus. On the right side, I write a couple personal things that it's like, if I get time and I get to them, that would be wonderful to get them done. And that keeps my energy flowing in the right places. So aligning those questions that we ask for positive generating questions. How do I get more energy? How do my kids succeed and well? How do I be a better father? How do I get to my goal weight? Instead of the opposite question, I'm not even gonna say them, but thinking about the positives, how to do something, what do I need to succeed in this area? What does success look like in this area? That's where we're aligning focus. And that alignment of focus gives us the energy in that focus. If we're focusing on all the things that are outside of our control, they're not in our circle of control, we are just we're throwing energy into something we're not in control of. And it's just a waste, and it's trash, and it's lost. So, what is your focus? We're gonna stay positive. You're down in the doobly-doo today. What is your number one focus? What is the number one area? Wow, the neighbor's really running the driveway today. What is your number one area of focus that you want energy to go to? Write that down in the doobly-doo today. And there's the garbage truck. I guess it's not top of the morning to you. I'm too late today. Down in the doobly-doo, where's your focus to drive your energy? Because where focus goes, energy flows. You be blessed.